Alright, now I got that cover off, and what we see here is there we got a temperature sensor, we got a pressure sensor here, and another temperature sensor. So what I did here is I built a quick jumper just to jump this pressure sensor. These are very common for going bad, very inexpensive, pretty easy to change. So I was able to order one of these and have it in stock here. Here it is, about 35 bucks. There's the part number, pressure switch for the Hayward heaters. Now to take this out, all we're going to do is just unscrew this and screw the new one in and plug the wires back in. So we're going to do that now, and hopefully we'll turn this on when I get back, and she'll fire up and heat the water. See you in a minute.